Welcome to Part 4 of the ASL Bootcamp series. In this lesson, you will learn about classifier signs, what they are, and how you can use them with just a little training. Before beginning, let's inventory the ASL tools you've already learned in Parts 1 to 3. Fingerspelling is a bridge, allowing you to spell out words and concepts when you don't know the correct sign. If you practice your ABCs regularly, then you'll always have fingerspelling as a backup plan when you interact with deaf people. Gesture and body language assist us when we are in foreign countries and our native language no longer applies. Most people are able to communicate basic ideas like food, water, and bathroom needs using universal gestures and their own body language skills. Those same skills will go far if you are communicating with a deaf individual. Facial expressions do vary between cultures, as well as norms for eye contact and physical proximity. Nevertheless, many expressions appear to be universal, like a smile. Consciously strive to inhabit your face and allow your features to display emotional information when you communicate with deaf people or anyone else who speaks a different language. There are many nonverbal communication strategies that we use unconsciously. These are just a few. The minimal sign vocabulary I teach in ASL Bootcamp will provide scaffolding and anchors to support your other skills. Now, in Part 4, you will learn about one more aspect of American Sign Language: classifier signs. Classifiers are signs that show how something looks, is used, or functions. Many classifier signs are intuitive and make use of mime and gesture that we can all understand. Classifiers depict actions using the hands, but facial expressions are also important for showing intent. Remember to use your eye gaze when directing attention to objects, people, or situations you are communicating about. Two of the most common classifier types are descriptive classifiers, DCLs, and instrument classifiers, ICLs. DCLs show size, shape, texture, pattern, details, and the amount of wear and tear on any given object. ICLs show how something works, how it functions, or what it does. Classifier shapes follow a few basic rules. Spherical objects are always signed using a claw 5 hand shape. Disc-shaped things are described using a bent L hand shape. Cone-shaped items are signed with a C to S hand shape. Cylindrical things are described using either a C or an F hand shape. Depending on size, boxes or square-shaped objects are signed with B hands, except for small cubes, which are signed using a G hand shape. Descriptive classifiers include non-manual markers in the form of mouth shapes to indicate size. For very small things, the lips should form an O shape, and the eyes squint just a little. Average-sized things include an M mouth shape, sometimes called duck lips. For very large things, the lips pull back, revealing the teeth in what is called a cha mouth shape. Let's practice some common DCLs, including the appropriate mouth shape. Instrument classifiers are basically mimes of actions we are familiar with. See if you can guess what my ICLs are meant to depict. It's a lot like playing a game of charades. These instrument classifiers are part of sign language. Practice them to improve your nonverbal communication and to win next time you play charades. This concludes my 4-part series, ASL Bootcamp. Thank you so much for watching.